Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit PDF document using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you have to open up your Canva, and then I'm going to go to the upload menu. Okay, and here I'm just going to click on upload files, and since we want to edit PDF document, I'm going to select one of my PDF document here. I'm gonna choose, wait guys, I'm gonna choose this one, click on open. Okay, and now the item has been uploaded. Sorry, it's still being uploaded. And I'm going to pause this video. Okay guys, this one, and I'm going to tap on that. Okay, and here we'll be able to edit the PDF document. Okay, even I can delete it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit PDF document using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.